Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull up the city, better shoot me now. Cause it's not a bad, now you want a movie now.
What's good, YouTube, fam? I guess it's gonna be my first video or whatever. I don't got no camera yet, so I'm using my phone. I know it look like a little some shit. But nah. Alright, so first, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna be doing, right? I know y'all can't hear this in my head, so I'm gonna show y'all my head, even though I don't got no type of waves. Both of my sides is weak. My right side is strong. If you see that, I don't have, my connection is not ready. Look right here. My connection is not there. Look on this side, I don't got no waves right here. Bro, chill on my taper. My barber going through something. Talk to him, yeah. My face looks swollen. It's gonna be a nice little brush session. Everybody asked me how I get this like swirl on my crown. I'm gonna talk about that. So look, I always start from right here. That's where I start. Brush down, brush down, brush down, brush down. Now when I come to the back, the reason it swirl like that is because I always hold my brush at an angle like this. And that's how you do it, basically. You can over exaggerate it, go that way. You want a whole big swirl, but really, I only did it in my crown area. That's why I look like beehive, but with a swirl. And it's hard to explain. You just gotta look. Pay attention. Now, I keep my brush horizontal. Down. Okay, close. Brush down, down, down. Now, top. This angle. So if your hair, let's say your hair looks like mine, and you got some connection that's not coming down on the side. Not lining up. What I say do is vertical brush down, right? So you want a vertical brush first. So you just want a vertical brush down. If you want to get rid of those connections that's not coming in on that side. And brush down vertically. It don't matter if it's curved or not. The vertical brushing is better with a straight brush. I got a straight brush right here. It's soft though. I always start my brush session with a hard brush, but because I got a low cut, I'm only using medium and soft right now. Even though you could use a hard, but I could use a hard brush yesterday, but I just didn't feel like it today. Because the medium brush, there's something about the medium brush that just so special on coarse hair, but it's easier to fix because they look like forks, feel me? With the connections. So you just want to, when you vertical brush, it shift them a little bit. It make them straighten out because it's straight. But while I was with him, I seen my progress already coming in from the still like, follow me on Instagram at Keisha the TV. My connections right here did not look like this. Like a couple weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, it was not looking like this. 6 weeks ago, it was not looking like this. Cause I worked for 6 weeks. I don't know why I said 3. I'm like retarded. But nah, the top self-explanatory. Down, down. Start from your crown. You always want to start from your crown. brush down. Right? Now that I showed you on my angle, I didn't show the right side. Let me show the right side. See the wave logo? Just follow your pattern. Can y'all see? I don't think I can see that. Gotta get closer. See that? Now with the crown, I know everybody here about to talk about curved brushes and the crown. Because they got a tip, pulls. But the point on the brush is easy to move or get in those tight spaces. It's easier, cause it's not that easy, but it's easier than like using like the crown brush. So you want a brush, just follow your pattern from your crown, right? Just want to follow your pattern from your crown. Wherever you see the waves going, that's where you go. You got ripples, wherever you see ripples going, that's where you go. So you just following like you just brushing your hair. Your crown gonna move a little bit. It's always gonna sit. It's the thinnest part of your head. You just wanna move the brush with your waves. The crown is the thinnest part of your head. So the hairs is gonna easily move. My crown might not look how it look in my videos right now, but after that's why you get crown sessions. After you brush your crown, you make it look how you want it to look. So just go with the pattern. You gonna see it's gonna keep moving. You might be like, oh, you don't got a crown no more. Oh, keep so that you don't got a crown. Never. Watch. Pay attention. The things you don't want to do when you brush your crown is go into your crown. You should never go into your crown when you brush your crown. You do too much. I catch myself doing it all the time because I'm kind of still new to this wave. This whole little wave community for real. So sometimes I go in my crown. You always want to stop. That first wave right there, where it start at, that's what you want to brush. Because it's thin, so it's going to move regardless. You know what I mean? Until it's shaped. Then you just move away from it a little more. Let me see. I gotta keep shifting so I can get the right angle for y'all. See how my crown is coming together? Now the whole swirl thing that's going on right there, that whole thing, that's just cause the angle. You just gotta, feel me? Tilt your brush. When you tilt your brush, see that? Tilt my brush. See the waves on the brush. When I tilt my brush, I brush with it. It's tilted, I brush with it. Tilted, I brush with it. Feel me? And that's that. Alright, so that was the tutorial on how to brush my brush angles. It's Keys with the TV. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that. Follow my Instagram. I'm gonna try That jump right there. Feel me? I'ma see ya.
Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the shit, better shoot me now. Cause it's not a bad, now you wanna movie.